All right, everybody seems like they got an opinion on the market right now. What's the market going to do? Is it going to crash? Is it going up? Is it going down? I will give you my opinion right now. Big topic issue right now in the real estate market. Are we in a bubble? Is the bubble going to burst? Is the real estate market crashing, or the price is going to continue going up? What's happening? So, this is going to probably rub some people in my industry the wrong way, but it should be said. Nobody knows if the real estate market's what it's going to do. Nobody knows if it's going to go up, crash, going down. It's just people's opinions. When you see the headlines, real estate market's going to crash, it's just somebody's headline. Take it with a grain of salt. What's the Matthew McConaughey line from Wolf of Wall Street about the stock market? I don't care if you're Warren Buffett or Jimmy Buffett. Nobody knows if the market's going to go up, down, sideways, or in circles. And that's true of the real estate market. Nobody knows. This is just an opinion, just like this is just my opinion. So what I like to do is look back to the last time this happened and look at data and trends. In 2008, when we had the real estate crash last time, banks were giving out loans to anybody. People were qualifying for loans that really shouldn't have been qualifying for loans at all. And that's what led to the crash then. But again, 2, 3, 5 years go down, the real estate market rebounds and prices go up again. We continue to appreciate. All time over time with real estate continues to go up in pricing. It always seems to appreciate. So, how's that leave a buyer? So, the big question right now for a buyer is, should I buy right now? Should I wait? I've had buyers tell me they're going to wait a year or two and after looking at houses and basically wait a year or two to see what happens. They believe it's going to go down. Now, we may have prices go down 5 or 10% in the market, but when would that be? Would that be next month? Would that be in 6 months or in 3 years? We could see prices climb another 10, 15% before it drops 5 or 10%. So you'd be better off buying right now anyway, as opposed to in 3 years. It's very difficult to try to time the market. And any real estate investor or, expert economist will tell you that you shouldn't try to time the market. If we all had the, Doc's time machine and we could go back to 2008 and buy all the properties up then, we'd all be multimillionaires at this point. Unfortunately, we don't have that knowledge, but we have the knowledge of seeing the trends before us, and that real estate just always ends up rebounding and appreciating. So I would say, look at what your needs are, what you would be buying for. And if you're looking to stay in that house for 10, 15 years or longer, then go ahead and buy. I don't believe it would really affect you in the short term because you're planning on holding on to that for quite some time. So that's my thought on the market. Like I said, it's just my 2 cents. It's just my opinion. And we'll see where it goes. But if you have any questions on buying and selling in this market, get at me. There's a lot of uncertainty right now, so you want to make sure you have somebody to represent you. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.